Blister packaging machine. Connect the air pipe to the pressure gauge and adjust the settings. Set the appropriate timer and temperature based on the blister material and the product being packed. Adjustable temperature and sealing time settings allow flexibility for different blister sizes and materials. Designed with an easy-to-operate stainless steel body, the machine is well suited for small to medium-scale production needs. Press the yellow button to lower the sealing plate. Place the blister tray securely into the blister frame. Position the backing paper neatly over the blister tray. Place the blister frame onto the platform and press the yellow button again to initiate the sealing process. After sealing is complete, remove the sealed blister tray and check the seal quality by gently peeling the backing paper. The machine features a powerful heat sealing system that ensures strong and secure blister sealing for safe and reliable packaging. It is compatible with PVC blisters and paperboard backing, making it ideal for pharmaceutical applications such as surgical items and medicine packaging. The clear and transparent blister output improves product visibility and enhances shelf appeal.